Hello everyone, so excited to see you for another baking video. So in this one we're going to be making chocolate cherry Dutch baby. So all we do is we put most of our ingredients in a blender, blend it, and then it'll go in the oven. So we're going to preheat the oven to 425 first. And then we're going to start warming our cast iron to medium. And so this will be able to be used to melt the butter later. And so for right now, we're going to add most of our ingredients into a blender. So we've got 3/4 cup of milk here. So we'll put that in my blending cup. And then we'll do the 3 eggs. And there we go, 3 eggs. And then we'll do 1/3 of a cup of flour, just like that. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of coarse salt. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/4 cup of sugar. So that is what we're starting off with, and we will just blend this in our blending cup. Alrighty, so I can smell our pan heating up, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to our pan. We'll let that go, and then we'll turn it off. Then with our glove, we're just going to swirl the pan around. So we'll give it a nice swirl to coat the sides of the pan. And then that'll be all perfect. So this is a smaller skillet. It's a 10-inch skillet, but you can do it in a 12-inch if you'd like. I just like them to be thicker, so I put it in a 10-inch. Take that off the heat and just let that sit there till we're done blending. So my blending stick doesn't go all the way, so I'll just blend it over here for you. Now it's all blended. So what we're going to do is we're going to take about 1 cup of dark pitted cherries, and we're just going to put it into our pan. You can add more, but that's the amount of cherries that I want in mine. You can add more if you'd like. Just going to spread them around a bit. Just like that. And we're back. So the oven's preheated, and we're just going to pour our Dutch baby batter into our cast iron. And there we go. Just like that. I'm just going to reorganize the cherries slightly, and then into the oven it goes. Alrighty everyone, our 20 minutes are up, so we're going to take it out. There we go. Check out how lovely it looks, and the cherries all floated up. So Wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna go and cut it up. We're gonna put some icing sugar on it, and then that'll be it. Alrighty, so there we go, our chocolate cherry Dutch baby. You can put like maple syrup, just icing sugar, you can put chocolate ganache, whatever you'd like on it. They're super good and they're really dense and they puff up so large and they flatten themselves down. It's kind of fun. Cherries are so hot, but it's super good and the cherries add just such a nice touch to it and it's super delicious. So I hope you try it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!